Hi everyone, welcome back to Lizzie Lou Lovecraft. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the Picot stitch. A really pretty little detail, these little bumpy bits that are often used to create like a decorative edging on shawls, blankets, could even do like a little crown on the top of something. Now these are two different types of methods, almost similar. You see these two are made with slip stitch to close, whereas these two are made with a single crochet to close. Now, so what exactly is it? It's a 3-chain with an anchor to hook it between the two stitches. So it works, you can see it works like a little horn. To me it would work well as a cat ear. That's what I tend to use them for anyway on appliques. Let's just take these apart, and I just made a little swatch. So let's start with the slip stitch method. So let's do a couple of single crochets. Okay, so we've got a couple of single crochets. Now we do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And now what we want to do is slip stitch into the back of the first chain. So that bit. So if this is the chain, the front, we want the back bumps, we want the bumps, the ridges. So we go in to the ridge. We then slip stitch, so we have this, and then we continue with another couple of single crochets. So that again, 1, 2, 3, and you can see the 3. We want to work in the bumps, so then we slip stitch. There we go. It can be tricky to get in there sometimes. And then we slip stitch into it, and then we would continue. So we have those. Now, single crochet version is pretty similar. Let's do one more single crochet. We have 3 chains like before, 2, 3. We work into the back bump like before, but this time we single crochet into the back bump, and then we continue to the next stitch. Single crochet, single crochet, 3 chains again, 2, 3, into the back bump, single crochet, and then finish off with our single crochets. Now if you look, I always feel these are a bit pointy but skinnier, whereas these are a little bit softer and thicker, wide, almost rounded at the top. So it just depends what you prefer really. There's no right or wrong way. I use both for different things. These more for cat ears, them more for decorative edges. But that's it. Now you know 2 ways to do the crochet Picot stitch. Try them out on borders, edges, maybe make a little crown for your dog. I might try that. But if you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Lizzie Lou Lovecraft for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the slip stitch or the single crochet. Thanks for watching and happy hooking.